Well, after my last video, I've messed around with the sound effects and the other bits and bobs for the sound, so maybe this one will be a bit better as far as the levels are concerned. Right, let's go. Come on, Gengar. This is the road to top 10,000. Do we have a gambler if he likes flipping heads? Oh, what are we going to go with? Let's go a little Eevee. Oh no. That's going to be bad. It's going to be real bad. That's that deck that does the 150 odd damage, isn't it? Oh, got to flood the backfield. Oh dear, what else can we get? Right, that's not too bad. Right, let's get you in. You in. Spread the load. Yeah. Wonder if he is playing it, the Magcargo one though. Probably. Oh, he's made him fat as well. Oh man, I don't think we're going to get this one. Right. Is it worth it? No. Get the card. Oh. Oh no, it's not going to work. I need the in-betweeny, don't I? Or is he? Yeah. Oh, I was expecting a second turn Magcargo, but not happened. Could be in with a chance. Get haunted down. Ooh. Get haunted down. Get the head energy on him. Get that in. We might get away with it unless he slams us next turn. It's going to be tricky. Maybe he's going to convert to plan B in a minute. Oh, bro! Oh, what's he got? Another chance. What's he do? 50. 100, but I need 3. Put you there because you've got a fat body. Well, it gives enough breathing space. Not sure. Alright. Swing with the Eevee bag, seeing as I forgot that last time. That was ridiculous. Oh, now have we got enough? Oh, he's keeping himself going. I don't think he's got it, unless he has got it and he's just pumping him. Oh, really pumping him. Does that mean he's... No, he's not got him. Played dangerous. Oh, think we've done him. And, and he concedes. Well, victory. Hurrah! Road to top 10,000 gets another win. Albeit I'm a million miles away. Look at that. Great Ball rank 3. Probably miles and miles to go. Well, we'll see how we get on the next one. Cheers, dude.